behind the scenes of this self-portrait photo shoot. My car parked there, and I have Mimi and Momo tied to the post, to this little railing, and I'm doing my photo shoot with these gorgeous flowers. They were even more beautiful a couple weeks ago, but the rain yesterday. And yep, that's me. That's my life. I have the perfect little place to put my phone while I control this camera, and Momo's watching me. Car parked over there, Mimi and Momo tied to the railing. My car parked over there, Mimi and Momo tied to the railing. And then here's my photo shoot set up, my outfit, and I'm putting my phone over here. I can control the camera with my phone. Look at how beautiful the sky is today. Wow. So I took this photo with my digital camera, and I took this photo with my mirrorless 50mm lens. I think you can tell in this photo that I was very nervous taking this photo because I had forgotten to bring my professional tripod with me, and I took all these photos on a tripod, and I only had my selfie stick. So here in this photo, you can see how windy it was that day. It was even windier than what this photo shows. And yeah, my selfie stick tripod nearly fell over so many times, and I literally sprinted to my tripod through the rose bushes, through the thorns to save my expensive mirrorless professional camera. Okay, calm down. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.